My name is Sergio Mercado. I'm an interior designer based in Manhattan, and I'd love to welcome you to this beautiful townhouse I recently completed in Sutton Place. One of the things that makes this project so special is that it's actually located on a rare gated cobblestone street with a beautiful private park right across the way and unobstructed river views. I'm so excited to give you a closer look. Let's go inside. The minute you walk in, you're met with this cool, calm, serene environment. We intentionally chose low furniture and things with curved lines. We didn't want to have any hard angles, so everything felt fluid and comfortable. All the furnishings that we selected were very carefully curated, almost like what you would experience in a Parisian gallery. So for example, we brought in a beautiful table from BDDW, bought a gorgeous daybed from the Invisible Gallery, and coffee tables and side tables from Mondo Collection. What I love about this fireplace surround is that it's only made with 3 pieces of stone. What's kind of wonderful is that in the window seat, we're able to accommodate this really convenient storage for shoes right by the front door. It's these subtle details that make a huge impact on the overall sense of design. For the dining table, we went again with BDDW, which paired really beautifully with these Mario Bellini cab chairs, which are leather and super resilient and very comfortable. What I love about this light fixture is the reflection it creates, reflecting against the walls and on the dining table. We also brought in this beautiful sculptural piece from Baref, and it emits beautiful light. So overall, this is one cool place to dine. This kitchen is in keeping with the rest of the house, just clean and modern. For the cabinetry, I chose a lacquer finish, and for the countertops, I chose a honed finish on the Calicotta marble. And what I really love is this detail of the mitered edge because it appears to float over the cabinetry. Speaking of special touches, there's nothing like having a balcony off your kitchen. Al fresco dining, anyone? One of the things I love about being a designer are catering to the special requests of clients' needs. This particular client really wanted a dog spa for their rescues. And with me, ask and you shall receive. The third floor is a primary suite, which consists of a bedroom, dressing rooms, and a primary bathroom. Continuing with the theme of modern, serene, contemporary interiors, I chose different textures in a similar tone throughout the bedroom. When you have a space with views like this, the space doesn't really need that much. For the bathroom, we created clear story windows to allow the light to travel all through the space. And for the materials, we went with an absolute white marble, and the countertop is a beautiful Calicotta stone. This is a bedroom that truly has it all. We added the top floor to create an additional bedroom and this amazing entertainment space. It's more casual, but no less chic. There's a full Calicotta marble wet bar and a seamless flow to the terrace. And with one of the most iconic views of the city, it's a great place to end the evening and this tour. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I've created a sleek and contemporary take on a townhouse in Sutton Place. See you next time.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.